This car makes me feel like I'm at Japan and I ain't even been in it. Yo. Yes, my people, we've just pulled up to Ministry of Cars. Yeah, we're gonna go inside now and see my friend's Nissan GTR R33. I'll take you straight in, let's go. Yeah, so this is Ministry of Cars, guys. Look at the cars they've got. It's mad. They've just PPF'd this Land Rover Defender. I think they've PPF'd it. Some bits in satin, some bits in gloss. Look at that. That is beautiful. So we ain't even stepped in the building yet, and this is what we're dealing with. Ministry of Cars. Nah, let's get inside, let's go. We've got a cheeky little F80 in the corner. They're very rare in red, never see them in red. Look at that. Nice, nice. We come round here, we got this blue G80. Come on, look at that. They're not messing around in here, are they? M3s everywhere. Anyone that follows me on social media or YouTube, you know, when it comes to the BMW M cars, I am gassed. Yeah, this is cold. And again, Ministry of Cars up here. Yeah. Over here, just been detailed and it's being currently polished. This is my friend's R33 GTR. I don't even know what color this is. It's not midnight purple. It's not midnight purple, but it's like a black with a tinge of purple in it. Yeah, look a close up on the mirror. I don't know if the camera's showing you lot, but it's a mad color. It's got the legendary RB26. Come on. Little strut brace. It's twin turbos. I think it's relatively stock. But that's what I think that's what he wanted anyway. Little low mileage, genuine. What's it got on it? BBS LMs. I reckon he might give these a little refurb, I don't know. Yeah. What a car. Just when you think you've seen it all. E46 M3 Coupe. Oh mate, I'm in heaven right now. I've nearly got all the generations of M3s under one roof. When does that usually happen to anyone? Is it manual? It can't be manual, I'll go crazy. Oh shit, she's 6-speed manual. That is fucking sick. I think the color's carbon, I think it's carbon black. Yeah, that's mad. I think they're putting these on that Defender at the front. Oh no, it's a Rolls Royce. Rolls Royce wheels. Look at that M3. Mad. They do tinting here, window tinting. They do wrapping, PPF. They do polishing. Look, they've got the scan grip lights to see how bad your paintwork is as they polish. Yeah, they do loads of stuff here. And then look, if you're chilling and waiting, You've got this upstairs to chill with. It's mad. Excuse the noise in the background. We're gonna tint your windows. You go upstairs and chill, mate. How good of a lounging area is this? Yeah? You've got seating areas. Ministry of Cars up there. Play a bit of pool if you're waiting. Little office area. This is mad. What a wicked place to just chill while you're getting your car sorted and made special. You can even set this up to play in front of the TV here. You've got FIFA. What a shop. And if you're that bored, you can just have a little walk around, look over the ledge. You can see your car being worked on there. Yeah, this place is so cool. And you've got the wash bay over there, where the F80 is. It's just sick, man. This is so cool. Mad. Yeah, they're based in Waltham Abbey, which is near Chingford. It's like North London. Yeah, it's sick. Let's go back downstairs. The GTR's been polished. It's been all cut and polished for the customer, which is my mate. What a legendary car. The RB26 engine. The paintwork. Wow. And these lights really set off any car that's been polished, these hex lights. Sick. And then this is his other car. This is his daily. Beautiful red. I think it's Rosso red, the Ferrari red. F80 M3 stage 2. Check this. Mad. Gorgeous thing. Now we're going to have a look at the GTR inside. Mad. This car makes me feel like I'm at Japan and I ain't even been in it. Check this. Original GTR stuff. Wow, what a piece of kit. The suede on the seats. If this ain't Gran Turismo vibes, I don't know what is. GTR mats. Original. Wow. Hopefully my next video will be him taking me for a drive in it. I'll definitely get that on YouTube for you lot to see. So that's it for the day. They're all leaving. What a car my friend has bought though. Flipping beautiful. If you can see the flashing, excuse that, that's just the LED lights in there. It's not a rave, I promise. What a sight that is, look. R33, are you mad? GTR. You don't get to see this every day. What a privilege it was today to see this machine. Yo. Sick. Off they go. Beautiful cars. So that's it. That's today's vlog all done. How cool were them cars today? I feel privileged that my friend let me come down to Ministry of Cars to see these mad cars. You know, we still got the M140i. I'm waiting for some modifications to come in the post. I think a lot of you like the mods as well. Maybe going big single. So yeah, this is Ministry of Cars, as you can see there. If you want to get your car PPF, tinted, anything like that, give them a shout. Ministry of Cars, you'll be able to find it easily on social media. I'll leave their stuff in the description. And yeah, if you stayed for this long watching, thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.